Okay, next tool is step and repeat. If you want to repeat this object in this way and create a pack, you can right click, select the object and step and repeat. You can see this is an object. It repeats in X, left, right, front, and back. This is an object. Front, back, and the left one. You can make it 2. You can make it 2 at or 1 at the top. You can change the offset if you want. You can make it exactly snapping to each other. 0, 0, and 0. You can create this pack. Create instance as a copy, and the offset copies in a space if you want. You can change it. In a space, if you doing something like that, it's change the offset. It's okay. And you can create this pack.